Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this time we will to learn how to design simple part in SolidWorks. We have a two-dimension drawing like this. We want to convert from sketch to solid parts. Okay, just start it, open the SolidWorks, and we start from top plane. Right click on top plane and click sketch. Here we use a millimeter unit. We can change in below like this. Click millimeter unit. Then we just to make 1 2 3 4 circle like this. Just make like this 1 2 3 and 4. Yes. Then set the dimension. First circle have radius 11, so the diameter is 22 millimeter. First circle, and second circle have radius 14, so the diameter is 28 because it's 14. Okay, 28. Yes. Because radius is 14, and in another circle in here have radius 17, so the diameter is 34 like this. Just click OK. Then in here have radius 22.5, so the diameter in here is 45 millimeter. Okay, like this. So we just make one circle again, but in the last circle we're going to right click and click construction geometry. Like this. We want to make construction geometry because we want to make this hole and this cat like this. Have radius 26, so the diameter is 52 millimeter. Just click OK. Then we select the center line like this, draw like this to bottom, ensure this center line to make vertical and this center line from center to like this. Ensure we can to set the angle. We can see in here a 4 hole, so in here and this hole is automatically the angle is 45, because in here if you want to make line like this, center like this, sorry, we can trim entities first in here like this. In here angle is 90 degree automatically. Set, we can change in here automatically is 90 degree like this. So the half of in here, so we can set dimension in here in 45 degree for angle in here. Then we can to make circle again in here from here. Ensure this point, this line, this circle and this center line, sorry, we can do ensure this point, this circle and make push intersection in here. We can do make intersection like this. Then we can set the dimension in here. Set dimension for hole have radius 2.5, so the diameter is 5 millimeter. And we want to make one circle again, have radius 6, so make circle again from this point. Radius is 6, so the diameter is 12 millimeter like this. Then we can see again in here have some radius 7, so we can click 3-point arc or select 3-point arc like this. Draw like this. And ensure this 3-point arc and this circle to click make tangent. This 3-point arc and this circle click to make tangent to like this. Then set the radius is 7 in here. So set in 7 like this. After that, we can to mirror in here, mirror entities, and this mirror select this 3-point arc and mirror about select this center line. Just click OK. Then we want to make in a sketch like this is 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So just select circular sketch button. Edit this button, select this 3-point arc, this circle, and 3-point arc again. And in here our number of instance we set in 4. So automatically 1, 2, 3, 4 like this. And ensure for parameter in here, for point of the center, we can click this point, center of part. Just click OK, and automatically make another sketch like this. We can do trim entities. This line, this line, this line, this line, this line. Mirror entities again. This line, this line, this line, this line, and this. Mirror entities. Trim entities to erase this line, this line, this line, this line, and this line. And mirror entity, trim entities again in the last in here. This line, this line, this line, and the last is this line. Okay, so ensure we all ready to we have to input all dimensions like this. So we just to export from sketch to solid part, have a thickness like this or section view in here. So go to feature and click extrude brush. For select contour, we can first select this sketch in here. The thickness is 3 mm. So direction is blind in here. We can change in 3 mm for thickness or depth. Just click OK, and we can see again sketch 1 and extrude brush in here. Click in here in the alter here and reduce 17. You can see in here the thickness is 5.5 plus 3 if 8.5. So in here thickness is 8.5 like this. Just click OK, and again sketch 1, click extrude brush, click this sketch, and the last you can see in here the total height is 3.5 plus 5.5 plus 3. The total is 12 mm. Okay. So in here in the direction you can change in 12 mm or the deep like this. Don't forget in here have a fillet have radius 1.5. So click a fillet. Fillet parameter we can change in 1.5 mm. And item to fillet we can click this edge. Just click OK, and done. It's a simple part. It's perfect for beginner to learning or practice. In SolidWorks we can change the color, select all feature, click this icon, and maybe color is blue or dark blue. Click OK. We can change color again. The color for the face of whole is white like this, and this fillet, just click OK. Okay, and then we just to make a simple part, we just to convert from sketch to solid part like this. I hope this help you to design in SolidWorks, especially for beginner. It is perfect for beginners. I apologize if there are any mistake or error in this material, and thank you very much for watching until end this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you and see you in next tutorial.